Hey everyone, don't skip this and watch to the end. Today we're talking about something that can leave even the smoothest talker confused: what women want. Now, some folks will tell you it's a mystery, an enigma wrapped in a riddle. But fellas, it's not that complicated. Don't get scared. The truth is, women, like all people, crave a fulfilling relationship. And that fulfillment comes from a combination of things, not just grand gestures or expensive gifts. So, let's break down what truly makes a woman feel happy and appreciated, shall we? 1. Fun. First up, fun. No one thrives in a relationship that's all seriousness, all the time. Make her laugh, be goofy together, try new things. It doesn't have to be expensive adventures. A silly dance party in the kitchen, an afternoon spent playing childhood games, anything that creates shared joy and laughter. 2. Money. Let's be honest, financial security is important. It takes stress off the table and allows you to experience life together more freely. But here's the thing, money isn't the sole focus. It's about showing you're responsible and planning for a future together. 3. Empathy. Truly listen to her. Try to understand her perspective, even when you disagree. Validate her feelings, and don't dismiss them. Empathy builds trust and makes her feel safe to share anything with you. 4. Cool mystery. Now, this doesn't mean be secretive or shady. But a little intrigue can be exciting. Surprise her with a thoughtful gesture, learn a new skill to impress her, or plan a surprise date night. It keeps the spark alive and shows you put effort into the relationship. 5. True leadership. Being a leader doesn't mean controlling everything. It's about taking initiative, being dependable, and making decisions together. She needs a partner, someone she can rely on, someone who steps up. 6. Sweet compliments. Words of affirmation are powerful. Tell her how much you appreciate her, how beautiful she is, inside and out, and how lucky you feel to have her. Don't skimp on the compliments, but make sure they're genuine. 7. Surprises and rewarding. Surprise her with little things, her favorite flowers, a handwritten note left on her pillow, tickets to a concert she'd love. It shows you pay attention and care about making her happy. These are just some ingredients for a fulfilling relationship. Every woman is unique, so learn her desires and tailor your approach accordingly. Know that, the key here is to show genuine interest and effort. Listen to her, understand her needs, and put in the work to make her happy. That's what truly matters. Now it's your turn. What are some things your partner does that make you feel loved and appreciated? Leave a comment below and let's get a conversation going. Alright guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more relationship advice. And remember, a happy woman makes a happy relationship. Until next time, take care.